Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with hair I was sent from Ali Pearl Hair. I was sent 4 bundles of 22 inches in Brazilian body wave, along with a matching 20-inch 6x6 closure. Okay, so hopping right on into it, I was asked to do an updated plucking video, and I was also asked to show how I would pluck and thin out a thick hairline. So I figured using this closure would be great since I've never customized a closure on my channel before. I tried my best to capture as much as I could. It took me a good minute to get this closure to my liking because it was really thick. If the hairline was pre-plucked, it would have been easier to customize, but I was able to thin it out either way. But a pre-plucked closure would have been much better. Since this closure was not pre-plucked, I started plucking right at the beginning of the hairline. If it was pre-plucked, then I would have parted it out first and then started plucking. I start off lightly plucking the front to get it started. Then I part out some of the hair, and then I start to pluck the next section. I just pluck in the same motion to ensure that I don't intentionally cause any what am I saying? Any bald spots to appear. Okay, then I part out another section and began to pluck behind that section just as I did the previous time. This process just requires patience, y'all. So, if you keep doing it and, be cautious, don't move too fast if this is your first time, but just know it's going to take some patience to get it looking how you want. Once I get everything looking how I like it, I then start to comb all the hair I parted out back in place so that I can thin out the hairline more. You should pluck your hairline however you prefer your hairline on your wigs to look. I personally, okay, love a hairline that is on the finer side. If you don't like that look, you can always keep it fuller, okay? It's all about preference. However you prefer your hair and your wigs to look, do what you like, do what you prefer, do what works for you, period. Now, I will suggest if you like to wear your wigs on a daily basis for a month or two straight, then I would advise you to keep your hairline a little fuller than mine. So I only wear my wigs for a short time frame, and I am able to maintain the hairline so that it won't shed as much or shed as fast as if I wore it every day. All right, y'all. So here I am. I did pin curl my hair. Y'all know I pin curl my hair all the time when I'm ready to do curls. So I installed this wig using bold hole glue. Okay, and I definitely wanted to give Erica J a shout out. Y'all know who Erica J is. If you do not know who she is, you've definitely been sleeping under a rock. But I watch her videos. I love them so much because they're super detailed. But I definitely watched her lace closure videos to help me when it came to this install. I did follow Erica J's technique of how she installs her closures. I sewed my closure about an inch above my wig cap, similar to how I would do a frontal wig, or whenever you do a frontal wig and you bring it forward. That's how I sold my closure. So that way it gave me the ability to install it very seamlessly. I also took Erica J's tip of cutting the bands on the sides, so that way when you install it and you melt it into your skin, it's melting seamlessly, so you don't have any bumps or grooves. It's flat, seamless. It's clutch, y'all. It's really clutch. All right, now off rip, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know because I know somebody gonna be ready to clock me in the comments. Yes, my closure is sitting on my forehead. Y'all know I already have like a small forehead or a lower hairline. So when I installed this closure, I installed the middle portion or the front portion a little too far down. Um, yeah, so when you're looking at this video, yes, my closure is sitting on my forehead, but I definitely went back in off camera and adjusted it. And I'm definitely going to come back and let y'all know when I adjusted it so y'all can know that it was adjusted. But yes, my closure is sitting on my forehead. If you wear your closures or your frontal wigs like this, if you got enough forehead space or can finesse it, please don't wear your wigs on your forehead. It's not cute. It don't look cute when it's sitting on your forehead like this. Like y'all see this, it's on my freaking forehead. I kept looking at this like, what the freak is going on? And I realized like, Lexus, it's on your darn forehead. Like, get it off your forehead. So yeah, I just wanted to let that be known. Also, I went back in and plucked my baby hair some because y'all know that hairline was thick. So I had to like really work with this to get it as get it to my liking because the hairline was thick from the jump. So it still had some thick spaces that I didn't get from plucking it from the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. See, I adjusted it, y'all. It's a little further back, right? This looks so much better. So now I'm just here. I just switched up my part because I wanted it to be a little more curved on the side. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to say some words about this closure and this hair. This hair and the closure, I really enjoyed this. Like, this 6x6 closure is really clutch. Like, it's a whole vibe. I can imagine what a 7x7 closure is like. So if you're not really fooling with the frontals, if you can't grasp it, if you don't like them, if you want something that's easy to put on and go, then I would definitely try out this 6x6 closure. Again, they do also have, like, I've seen 5x5 closures, I've seen the 7x7 closures. Yeah, it's awesome. Like, it's so many ways to get a great look. You don't have to have a frontal, and I love that. But yeah, about the hair, all in all, I love the hair. I've worked with this company before. I've always enjoyed my experience with this company. They've always been consistent with the quality, in my opinion. This is my opinion, but definitely do your research. But they've always been consistent with their quality. The only thing that I would ask of them or would say that's a con for me is just the closure was thicker than I would have liked. I would prefer a pre-plucked hairline. But other than that, everything was great. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. Be sure to like this video if you liked it. Share this video if you care. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye. Some young niggas like to sway.